Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi S3. First, ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature for peak performance. Next, select dynamic mode using your Audi Drive Select. It's crucial to turn off traction control completely for an uninhibited launch. Finally, confirm you have a clear and safe path ahead, free from obstacles or other vehicles. Now let's engage launch control. With your left foot, press the brake pedal firmly, holding it down. Then move your gear selector into the S or Sport mode. Next, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor with your right foot. You will feel the engine rev and stabilize at an optimal RPM, indicating launch control is active. With launch control engaged, it's time for the exciting part. Release the brake pedal quickly and smoothly, but do not lift your foot from the accelerator. Maintain full throttle application as the car launches forward with incredible force. You will experience powerful, consistent acceleration. If you prefer, you can shift gears manually after the initial launch. After a successful launch, gradually return to normal driving conditions. For everyday safety, remember to re-engage your traction control system. If you plan on performing multiple launches, allow your car's components, especially the transmission, to cool down between attempts. Always practice these techniques in a safe, controlled environment, away from public roads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.